Good morning, everybody. We all know the role bureaucracy plays in a democratic setup. It ensures that the governance is carried out effectively and it facilitates democracy. But in today's time, with the coming up of economic liberalization and globalization, the governance has become a very complex issue. And so there are various issues that are associated with bureaucracy at large in our country. If we see it from the context of India's evolution since independence, we find that our bureaucracy is still suffering from a lot of structural and systemic issues. Some of them are primarily, they are sort of labeled as status quoist, meaning thereby that there's somebody who are quite averse to the changes in the governance methodology. Also, there's a debate that goes wherein they are referred to as generalist, because in the recruitment process of bureaucracy, people from diversified background or even of graduate levels are brought into the system. Now at the mid and the upper level, we find that the governance issues become really complex and the domains of expertise is needed. That is also one of the challenges which we find in bureaucracy. Apart from that, there's a lot of political interference, in the sense we even label and bring terms like politicization of bureaucracy or bureaucratization of politics, apart from provincialization of bureaucracy. So these are some of the terms that we use, wherein the politicians have a lot of interference in the transfers and the postings, and so ultimately we find that there have been various judgments, primarily Mr. Subramaniam versus Union of India, wherein the Supreme Court has sort of ensured that there is a sort of objectivity and there is a sort of a process of carrying out the transfers and the postings through the establishment of Civil Services Board. Likewise, we find that there are various committees that have been established, namely Hota Committee, namely Baswan Committee, and also Surendranath Committee. Also, there have been recommendations by the second arc, the first arc, and subsequently the government has been coming up with various reforms like Mission Karmi Yogi, or you can say the other mechanisms like 360-degree appraisal, to bring about more objectivity and to ensure that the governance that has its challenges, which every passing day is increasing manifold, is sort of narrowed down and the element of discretion is sort of warded away with. So we find that bureaucracy, as challenging as it is, it's a very interesting domain, and that is what we are going to study in today's class. Thank you so much.